What's going on, peeps? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And what I want to share with you on this video is how you can create a passive income online as a beginner. Now, this is something that I had did in the early stages of my career, and this is something that I still do to this day, but just on a different scale, pretty much, right? So, if you're just getting started with building a business online or whatever, I'm pretty sure that you have watched plenty of webinars, you have bought courses. You've watched hours upon hours of, just information on YouTube just so you can learn how to do some of the basic things in order to have some type of result inside of your business. So what I want to share with you is how you can actually repurpose that knowledge that you have just learned, those skill sets, and actually turn it into a passive income, right? And it's something really, really simple that you can do. So again, what do you want to do first? Again, if you have not watched any type of trainings, webinars, or learn how to actually increase your skill set, this won't work. Okay? Learn how to increase your skill set, learn something, apply it, and then teach it to other people, right? So a prime example of this, right? One thing that people completely struggle with when they start a business online is how to generate leads. So if you know how to generate, 10, 20, 30, 50 leads for free using social media, you can actually make a training and show people how to do that inside of their business. You'll be surprised how many people cannot even get one lead per day inside of their business using using social media, right? So again, you can take that same information, teach it to other people, and you can actually earn income from it, right? So don't make any type of false claims or whatever else. If you have not made six figures inside of your business, do not make a training telling people how they can create six figures. You don't want to do that, okay? Make sure that you're teaching what you know how to get a result with, okay? So go watch some trainings, watch YouTube, do all that type of stuff, increase your mindset, increase your mindset, increase your skill set, test it out, get a result, and then you want to teach it, right? So what do you want to do after that is you want to... He's going to let me type. Okay. So what you want to do after you have done that is you want to do the math. And what I mean by do the math is you want to figure out how much money you want to earn passively per month, right? So let's say you wanted to earn just, $1,000 extra per month passively. So you do $1,000 divided by 30 days in a month. So that's $33, okay? So from that point, you can actually kind of, determine what price point you want to use for your training, right? So you can do, depending on what type of knowledge you're going to put out there, it'll kind of go and, coincide with how much you want to put your price point is. If it's really kind of basic information, you can definitely do it around like the $27 mark or even just $33 right off the rip, okay? So that's what you want to do. You first want to do the math. The next thing you want to do is you want to record this free training. So like I said, if you're going to teach somebody how to get leads, so what you want to do is you want to create a free training showing how to get 50 leads per day for free on Facebook, okay? So that could be your training right there. All right, so you want to make sure you go ahead and create your training. It could be a 15-minute or a 30-minute training or whatever else. Make sure you just give really good value. Make sure you over-deliver, okay? So that's how you want to start that off. Now, once you have that, okay, once you have that training, you now want to actually create a small info product, okay? And it doesn't have to be anything grandiose. You don't have to get all this special equipment or anything like that. You can actually use this screen capture software that I'm using right now, Screencast-O-Matic. I'll put a link below this video. And you can actually record a small info product training, okay? So inside of that training, it can be like, maybe a few modules or whatever else. And the training, you can actually teach people how to how to make more sales using social media, okay? It's probably not a great title or whatever else, but it kind of give you guys an idea. So in this free training, when they go and start watching this free training, at the end of that training, you can say, like, okay, now if you implement everything that I shared with you all, you can actually get 50 leads per day using Facebook for free. Now, what I do want to offer to you is below this video is going to be a button or a link that's going to take you to a product that's actually going to show you how you can actually generate more sales and generate more income for your business using social media, using Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is, right? You can make a small info product teaching people how to get some type of result inside of their business. And again, you want to make sure everything is kind of congruent. So if you're showing people how to get 50 leads per day for free on Facebook, then your product can be something like how to actually get 100 leads per day using paid marketing, or how to generate more sales with those new leads that you have just acquired. Okay, you want to make sure that the training and the product, the little small product that you create, is going to be congruent. Okay, and again, the product, you don't have to do anything really crazy, guys. Just record a few short videos. They can be anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes long, and you want to make sure you put that all into like one site. You can use a WordPress site, you can use ClickFunnels, anything like that. You can put all that information into one spot, and now you have an actual product, right? Now, when I was telling you guys, you want to give it a price point, right? So your price point, you can have it set to, for something like that, your price point can be anywhere from like $17, $27, or like I said, you can go for $33. Because like I was saying, how if in this example, if you wanted to do an extra $1,000 per month passively, what you can do is just, if you sell one thing per day for the next 30 days for $33, you'll have that $1,000 per month that you need, right? So that's what you want to do. That's how you're going to determine your price point. Now, how you can actually start making money passively with this, okay, is you want to create a sales funnel, a really simple sales funnel. So the sales funnel part, right? You want to have in your opt-in page, right? Now your opt-in page this is where somebody's going to come to your page, and you're going to tell them, hey, for exchange for your email, I'm going to give you this free training that's going to show you how to generate 50 leads for free on Facebook, okay? So now that person is going to want that training. They're going to opt in, give you their email address in order to get that training, right? Now, once they have done that, you need to take them to your thank you page. Now, on the thank you page, this is where you're actually going to provide the training. You're going to give them the actual information that you promised them, okay? So your thank you page is going to include the actual free training, right? And then below the free training, all you want to do is you want to have a button or a link to the actual info product, okay? It can be actually what you want to do is you want to have a button or a link, or you want to have a button. You can have like a PayPal button. That's what I probably would do. Let's do it like that. Put a PayPal button right here, right? And tell people, like, if they want to get access to that information course or whatever else, they can click on the PayPal button and purchase that course for like $17, $33, okay? You don't need to create no type of sales page or anything like that. You don't need anything elaborate, okay? Just tell people what they expect to get on that free training. So give them the free training, and towards the end of that training, tell them, hey, I want to offer you a chance to learn how to get more sales with, using social media. The course is only going to be $33, and then inside of this course, I'm going to share with you how to set up your social media, how to actually set up a sales funnel, how to set up your opt-in page, your thank you page, how to set up a PayPal, but whatever you're going to be teaching in this little small info course, right? Tell them that in the video, and then right below it, you can have a simple PayPal button. That's all you need to do, right? Now, once you have that, all you would need to do is the same trainer right here, how you're talking about how you're going to show people how to get 50 leads per day, then take your own advice, right? So now that you have this opt-in page, you're going to have a link to this page. So with that link, you're going to put it onto your social media. You're going to make a video on YouTube like this where you're providing value. And you're going to tell people, hey, if you want to learn how to generate free leads, 50 free leads per day using social media, click on this link below, and it's going to take you to this free training. And now you're going to have people flooding to this opt-in page, putting in their email address, and now you're building an email list, okay? So even if they don't buy your course right off the rip, what you want to do is you want to email those people on your list, a few times out the week, maybe like 3 times per week, just letting them know more about your product, how it can help them. If other people have gone through your product and have gotten results, share that information inside of your emails, and that's going to get people more comfortable with, purchasing that product from you, okay? If you do this right here, you can start generating a passive income as a beginner online from home. This is exactly what I did in the beginning. Okay, I didn't have a lot of skills in the beginning, but what I did, I watched a lot of YouTube channels, and then a lot of stuff that I implemented, a lot of stuff I learned, I implemented, got some type of results from it, and that way I was able to teach it to other people. If you understand that process, you will always have success with online marketing. Okay, it's pretty much the same concept. What you want to do is you want to learn something, implement it, get your own results, and then teach it. If you do this, again, you will never have to worry about money. You'll never have to worry about money. And this is what I do, just on a different scale. Even when I did e-commerce, I learned e-commerce, I got results, and then I taught it. Okay? Same thing with like video marketing, right? So I learned video marketing. I learned how to rank videos on YouTube. I got the results, and I taught it. Okay? Same thing here. But you're just doing it on a smaller scale because if you're watching this, more than likely you are a beginner. You're just doing it on a smaller scale. So hopefully you found this video really helpful, guys. Again, if you just keep things really, really simple, oh, get some money. If you keep things really, really simple, you can start having results. Now, if you want to see how you can actually, what type of opt-in page to use, or how an opt-in page should look, what I want you to do is, actually I'll put a link below this video where you can watch my video on how to generate $100 per day. And inside of that video, I actually show an example of a capture page and all that type of stuff like that. And that way you can go ahead and set this up. This is very simple to do. Very simple to do, but it does require you, again, to increase your skill set, increase your knowledge, and then also implement what you learn before you teach it to other people, okay? Keep it really simple, guys. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment below. I'll put some information below this video in the description. Go ahead and take advantage of that information. Watch those videos that I put on there. That's going to help you to show you how to create a capture page and all that type of stuff. Also, like this page, not like this video. Subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so you can get more updates when I do videos like this, okay? So until the next video, peace.